Yeah, we can't do it the exact way that Don is showing, but there's other ways you can skin this cat in 4-axis. So.
Yep, we're going to show you that. So what you would need to do is use a advanced 4-axis method called projection pocketing. So basically, let me just have, I have that already programmed to show you that. So basically, we just selected the perimeter of the groove on both ends. So it's a closed loop. Let's turn this off. So it's a closed loop all the way around. And the program is going to project the toolpath onto the underlying groove. So let's turn the toolpath back on.
So basically, we're cheating a little bit here. We're using a smaller tool to come in and clean up the material. It won't be an exact fit like the other groove, but it'll get the job done if you have the step overs set up correctly.
Let's go ahead and simulate that so you can see it. Let's turn that on. Okay, let's pause this, stop that. Let's move that up. So it's a smaller tool, and it's just projecting the toolpath down onto the part between the two edges of that groove. So to turn the part back on. And then we have another one here on the other side. So you see the tool is still, let's pause that. You see the tool is still, axis is still normal to the rotational axis, but we're just riding it between these sets of curves. Let's go ahead and continue that. Is there any other questions, Joe? That's really, we're at the end.